classic half updo is a quick and simple hairstyle to create using a Magic-Grip hairpin from Good Hair Days. To create a half updo, isolate the front sections of hair above your ears on each side. The thickness of these sections will depend on your hair type and texture. Bring the two sections together at the back of the head and twist to form one section. Using the Magic-Grip hairpin, insert the legs of the pin on either side of the twist from the bottom up. The legs will be inserted up underneath the two sections with the loop of the pin securing the section together. The hair has now been securely locked into place with the Magic-Grip hairpin. You can hold and secure the half updo higher or lower on the back of the head depending on your style preference. This half updo technique works on hair of all hair lengths from long to short and all hair textures. To add a different look, you can also start twisting the front side sections before you bring them to the back to secure into the half updo. Once you have practiced with the placement of the Magic-Grip hairpin, sections can be simply pinched together to secure and lock into place. Experiment to see which technique works best for you and your hair, and remember to create your own style. Enjoy a quick and secure half updo with Magic-Grip hairpins on all hair types and lengths. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.